Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to send money from PayPal to Cashapp without bank account. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and hit the subscribe button because it helps me out. So to get started with the guide, so using the Cashapp card, which is the best method. So in this process, you're going to use the Cashapp card. So if you have a Cashapp Visa debit card, you can link it to your PayPal and withdraw money directly to it. And here's the step. So get a Cashapp card. If you don't have, open your Cashapp, then tap the card icon, then order your cash card. It's free. Wait for it to arrive and activate it. So after that, link your Cash App card to your PayPal. Open the PayPal, then click go to wallet, then tap on link a card, then enter the Cash App card details. Then after that, you have to transfer the funds to the Cash App card. So in the PayPal, tap on transfer money, then select the Cash App card, then choose instant transfer from PayPal, which will be charged a small fee. The money will show up in your Cash App within a minute, and that's how you can simply send money from PayPal to Cashapp without bank account. Very helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.